These evil kids are bored and decide to create a very contagious Hiccup to annoy people. After freeing it, SpongeBob is the first one to get infected while he tries to work, but the Hiccup doesn't let him. Mr. Krabs notices it and sends him home, but SpongeBob gives him the Hiccup, and this one gives it to Mrs. Puff, then to Pearl, and it extends to the whole city. But then we see that this is not a simple Hiccup.
Back in my day, Hiccup could turn a fellow inside out.
This warns the city, but SpongeBob decides to keep the Hiccup and Sandy arrives to help. They achieve to free him from the Hiccup, and this one wanders around until reaches the kids from the beginning.